Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I spend a ton of time out in my garden and tending to my animals outside, and I needed a pair of boots that I could easily slip on that were going to be waterproof, durable, and comfortable. So I've been wearing this pair that I got from Kalkal, and I just absolutely love wearing them. I also live in an area of the Pacific Northwest where the weather is totally unpredictable. And so you have to be prepared for hot, rainy, snow, hail. It doesn't matter. You get it all thrown at you. And this pair of boots is going to be able to handle all of it. These have been perfect for keeping my feet dry and comfortable. I love that they slip on easily. There's loops on the front and the back to help you get them on. And then also to take them off, there's this really awesome little knob on the back. And then you just use your opposite foot to pull them off. And then when your boots are dirty like mine are, you don't have to get your hands dirty to take them off. They're super cushy, and as I mentioned, they are waterproof with a nice thick anti-slip sole. I wore these on our metal roof when we were replacing it, and as you can see, they did not slip around. Not only do I recommend these, but they are bunny approved also. I think you're going to love them as much as I have, and that's my point of view.